You've got your degree, some decent projects, and that classic imposter syndrome cocktail. You're scrolling through job boards, and there it is, a startup posting. Join our rocket ship, change the world, equity, pizza Fridays. You think, this could be my big break. But then you dig deeper into what working at startups actually means, and the stories get dark fast. Let's start with the golden promise, equity. They dangle those stock options like a carrot. You'll own a piece of the company. But here's what they don't tell you. 87% of startup employees said working at a startup negatively impacted their mental health, and 84% experienced burnout. So you're trading your sanity for monopoly money that might be worth something if the company doesn't implode in 2 years. But
That's pretty interesting. So they're basically saying that if you're looking to start up, if you're looking, well, as you said, he said that you just graduated from school or college or whatever, right? And you're planning to work at a job and you see this job posting and you go to sign up to it, whatever, blah, blah, you get you with a job and then it's your first day coming into the job and then it's like you're like, what the hell is really going on? Like, what is this? You know? So and obviously not like you're losing your sanity and stuff like that. So I mean that is pretty interesting.
for monopoly money that might be worth something if the company doesn't implode in 2 years. But it gets worse. The work-life balance at startups, that's corporate speak for your life is work now. Most startup wisdom says you should be ready for 80 hours per week. 80 hours. That's like having 2 full-time jobs, except one pays you in dreams and the other pays you in, also, dreams. But wait, there's
Yeah, bro, that is, bro, 80 hours a week, man, bro. That is like what? So 7 days in a week, right? That is like what? You can say 10, yeah, bro. That is, man, that's like nearly 12 hours every day, bro. Yeah, like 12, 12, 12. Wait, 12 by 7 is how much, That's, yeah, that'll be 84. So, yeah, so, damn, that is, man, that is. So basically, it's like it comes like you're working like six days per week, which is crazy.
jobs, except one pays you in dreams and the other pays you in, also, dreams. But wait, there's more. The emotional roller coaster is real. Monday, you're the next unicorn. Tuesday, you're 3 weeks from bankruptcy. Wednesday, the founder has a mental breakdown in the break room. Thursday, you're pivoting to NFT because why not? It's like corporate politics, but with ping pong tables and kombucha on tap. Then comes job
Bro, bro's basically say that yo, man's got so stressed. Man's like yo, bro, is NFTs profitable? Profitable, man. Like yo,
It's like corporate politics, but with ping pong tables and kombucha on tap. Then comes job security. Corporate
yeah, that's
jobs
a
might
big
be
one.
boring, but at least you know your paycheck will clear. Startups? You might show up Monday and find out the company burned through their Series A on blockchain consultants. Your equity? Worthless. But here's the plot twist. If you're a junior developer, this might actually be your golden ticket. While everyone else gets rejected for entry-level positions requiring 5 years of experience, startups are desperate enough to hire anyone who can code Hello World. Finally, someone will give you a chance.
Bro, that's crazy, man. Bro, imagine that. I mean, as you said, as a new developer, I mean that is really good for you, right? But but to say that company just hires you just so that you can because you know how to code hello world, that is pretty wild, man. I mean, as I said, it's all about quality too, man. Like I don't think any and everyone should just be hired, but bro, what the hell's going on with Rumble, man? Bro, Rumble is acting up right now, man. Let me check my other streams. No, my other streams is good. Looks like there's something up at Rumble. But yeah, but I agree with him though. Even if you are a new developer, like a startup would be good for you, but it's not. It shouldn't be long term. Let me put it like that. Because if you put as long term, you might as well just cook yourself. So to be honest, man. So yeah.
But hold on, being a junior at a startup is like learning to swim by getting thrown into the ocean during a hurricane. There's no mentorship because everyone's too busy putting out fires. Your onboarding is a Slack message that says, figure it out, and a laptop older than your college roommate. You're supposed to learn React, manage the database, handle customer support, and somehow also be the office IT guy. And here's another plot twist. 80
And I mean, to be honest, I mean, like these aren't really that hard to do though. You know, like building the database, building a project with React. I mean, it's like it would take some time, right? I mean, and obviously the laptop as well. I mean, that would send you back 10 years, right? But but in terms of modern day activities, that really isn't too bad to do. Like imagine working at a company and you just have to build a database. You can use like Mongoose, something simple, or SQL, but I rather prefer Mongoose. Build a project with React. I mean, that's not really too hard. I mean, we're doing it right now, right? So it
no
isn't really
customer
that
support, and
bad, man.
somehow also be the office IT guy. And here's another plot twist. 83% of founders admit constant high pressure leads to burnout. But they keep doing it anyway because that's startup culture, bro. So should you work at a startup? Here's the honest truth. Only if you can afford to lose. If you're young, have no dependents, can live on ramen, and genuinely believe in the mission. Maybe. But if you need stability or actual mentorship, that boring corporate job might be smarter. Because the real question isn't, should you work at a startup? It's, are you prepared for what working at a startup actually costs? And for most people, that answer is probably no. And hey, if you enjoyed this content,
So yeah, basically what you're trying to say is that, y- like, if you really believe in the mission of that company, go ahead. But if you are looking for stability and stuff like that, like actual long term, like yeah, man, the best option is to go with like the corporate jobs and stuff. But I mean, someone could even like I can genuinely see a debate between these two options though, because some people may say that corporate jobs aren't even that secure anymore. So it's like if a startup may be maybe quicker to hire you because they're desperate for workers, right? Whereas a corporate job, they're just looking to get rid of others so that they can like increase their profits and like lower wages, right? So it's like people like it can be a debate between these two, but to me I would say like it's like oh yes, this is what I'm going to say here is very important, and I've learned this from actually from a recent Top Gear video, right? And just to like give the gist of it, right, is that what one of the guys was saying is that instead of looking at what makes a company successful, look at what companies failed to do to become successful, right? So it's basically looking at the failures that a company did and why they end up failing and how you can learn from what they did in order to become successful. So that is like one big thing that even I myself have to look into as well and see that what was these errors that the companies did and what I can do to exploit it. So um the next video that we will get into is how should someone who is like new to coding, right?